All right, guys, this is the Bosch 18 volt brushless connect ready 1/2 inch hammer drill driver. This is a very powerful tool. I bought this mainly for, as you can see, drilling into concrete, stuff like that. It's still pretty new, but this thing has a ton of power. It does come with a handle, so you can put that'll fit right on here as well. It has 975 inch-pounds of torque, so a lot of power here. It does have a light here. It'd be nice if it were a little bit bigger, but it does have a light, which is nice. Like I said, it is connect ready. So right here is where you can put the connect module in. It does not come with connect module, but this just kind of allows you to monitor the tool. So you can download the app and everything. It's forward, reverse. It is variable speed. It has 25 clutch settings here. And these are really just this is what's going to help you from over tightening screws. If you're using this as a drill driver, right here you have two settings as well. Now the max RPM is 2100, so again, quite a bit. On top here, again, that's going to be in your second gear. You do have first and second gear. Right here you also have, again, you have your hammer drill settings, your regular setting, your screwing settings, and then you have drilling settings here. So it really depends on how you set it up. This thing is great. It has a ton of power. I really like this. Like I said, I bought this mainly for drilling into concrete just because it has so much power. So great tool. Definitely would recommend it.